In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color cells, columns, or values in Monday.com. To kick things off, let's head over to the board you want to customize. Ensure you have columns set up like status, drop-down, numbers, or text, because these are the ones we'll be working with. Starting with the status column, it's crucial to know it inherently supports coloring options. When you click on a status, you're able to choose a label color directly. For instance, you might use red to signify urgency, while green could indicate a task is complete. If you want to personalize the experience, you can dive deeper by clicking on Edit Labels. This feature allows you to select new colors for each status, making your workflow both organized and visually appealing. Next, let's apply coloring to other types of columns. With the drop-down column, colors can also be assigned to each option. An example setup might see high priority highlighted in red, medium in yellow, and low in green. This method offers an instant understanding of priorities across the board. Now, moving on to the numbers column, you have the option of conditional coloring. Access this by going to the column settings, then select conditional coloring. For instance, you might choose to color any number above 100 in red, while numbers below 50 might appear in green. Such visual cues can quickly indicate performance thresholds or benchmarks. For the text column, conditional coloring proves equally beneficial, allowing for cells to be colored based on their values. Imagine a scenario where any text containing the word delayed automatically appears in red. This provides an at-a-glance view of potential bottlenecks or issues needing immediate attention. Let's take a closer look at conditional coloring. This feature empowers you to automatically color cells based on predefined rules. Access it by clicking on the three-dot menu of your desired column, navigating to Column Settings, and selecting Conditional Coloring. Establish a straightforward rule that suits your needs, like having the status Done appear in green. Then choose the color you want to apply. This approach works seamlessly across numbers, status, drop-down, and text columns, offering a cohesive coloring scheme throughout your board. Finally, consider how you might use coloring to vastly improve visual management. Visual cues are powerful tools. They can highlight overdue tasks in red, mark high-priority items with bold colors, or demonstrate a clear color pattern to track project progress effortlessly and efficiently. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance your board's appearance but also optimize its functionality, granting you rapid insights at a single glance. It's a game changer for staying organized and efficient on Monday.com. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.